Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel, Choose Delicacies. To the returning subscribers, I thank you so much for staying true. And for new subscribers, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button, turn on the bell icon to receive every notification of the posts that I make every time so that you don't miss out on my savory cooking experiences. So this is what I mostly do with my uh cow and goat parts when I buy them in bulk. We that are here in Canada, we know how we buy our meat. We know all the parts that comes with it. So this is what I do with the cow parts, the goat parts. I mix them together to make a very delicious pepper soup. So today, I will be diving into the world of Nigerian assorted meat pepper soup. This is a dish that is bold, that is aromatic, and packed with flavor in every single spoonful. So let's get cooking. Now, the ingredients we'll be using for this assorted goat meat pepper soup would be assorted goat and cow meat. I mean, the more varieties, the merrier. And then we have our pepper soup spice. Yes, that's your magic flavor bomb. We have our scent leaves. That's a fragrant twist you will always love. Then the uziza leaves. It's earthy and peppery. Yes, please, it is. Then we have our bulb of onion. We have our salt, just enough to make it sing. And our seasoning powder. That's a flavor unlock. Yeah, we also have Cameroon pepper, which is smoky and spicy goodness. So to the cooking process right now. So first thing first, so toss your thoroughly and beautifully washed assorted meat into a big happy pot. Make sure the pot is happy. Yes, because I mean everyone tends to like pepper soup. I mean I've never seen anyone that doesn't like pepper soup. So yes, it's a happy food starter. I mean so yeah, make sure you're using a happy pot to make this meal. And secondly, add your chopped onions, a dash of salt, and your tasty seasoning powder. Then stir all together until it looks like it's ready and tasting good already. So then cover and let it marinate and simmer for 10 glorious minutes. Then after 10 minutes, pour in enough water to cook the meat till it's almost soft. And you go ahead and add a bit more salt and seasoning. Throw in that green habanero pepper and stir like you mean it. Then cover again and let the magic happen for about 30 more minutes. If it is still tough, no stress. Mine took a total of 45 minutes because it's a hard meat gang, but it's worth every second of it. Trust me. Now for the real fun. Time to pepper it up. Add about 2 tablespoons of pepper soup spice. For the purpose of this pepper soup that I'm making, the quantity, I'm going to be using just 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of the pepper soup spice. And then in goes the Cameroon pepper also, and more habanero pepper, that's if you dare. Then go in as well with your extra seasoning powder. Then next up, the stars of the herbal show. Here is the stars of the herbal show. Gently stir in your scent leaves and uziza leaves. So fresh and so aromatic. Add water to your desired soup level. Taste, adjust, taste again. So yeah, when you are tasting and adjusting, just to be sure that you have enough quantity of the pepper soup spice to go with the pepper soup. So let's cook for another 10 to 15 minutes to soak up all the goodness of the whole ingredient that you have added together. And that's it. The meat is tender, the broth is rich, and your kitchen smells like a five-star Nigerian restaurant. So yeah, and that's it. Once again, thank you so much for staying true to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this recipe, show me some love. Drop a comment, like, share, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and let me know in the comment section if you've been trying this out or if you have your own twist to this recipe. Until next time, stay spicy and delicious.